Welcome back. Hey, Steve, what comes to mind when you think of Germany?
You know, usually cars. I think of cars like Mercedes, BMW, but of course, I think of beer. The Oktoberfest.
Of course,
yeah.
Oktoberfest. The world's famous beer festival is held every year in Munich, the capital city of Bavaria, which many call the land of beer and breweries.
Yep, beer is so much a part of the culture that Bavaria even has its own beer queen. And what's a beer queen without a Bavarian band? So let's meet them all. We have Queen Franziska and two members of the band. Let me try this, Michael Wallner and Dominique Global.
Yes.
Okay, good morning and welcome to the show.
Morning.
Good morning. Now, perhaps we can start with you, Franziska. A beer queen.
Yeah.
How did you get to become a beer queen?
Oh, there's been a competition in Munich. And yes, I was voted. There has been 95 applicants.
Yeah.
And yeah, we've got an evening, and so I've been voted by an internet voting and by the jury.
Do you have to drink a lot of beer as part of the competition?
Yes, I have to.
Okay.
And so what's your role, what's your responsibility? Is it for the whole year, and what do you do?
For 18 months.
Right.
And yeah, my aim is not to show you that Bavarians like drinking beer, but to show everybody in the world that Bavarian beer is a very important part in our social lives.
Perhaps you can tell us a bit more about Bavarian beer and how it is important.
Sorry, do you guys drink and play?
Well, I think that says enough. I've got three different breweries on my west. Erdinger, Augustiner, and one button.
Do you have to drink a certain amount of beer before they give you that?
Yes, we do. Yes, I do, but not so much. So we can also play the trumpet after drinking.
Okay.
Half of all German breweries are in Bavaria, is that correct?
Yes. That's correct, yes.
So tell us a bit more about the culture.
The culture of beer in Bavaria, it's a really big culture. It goes back to 1516, where they make that the beer is very good brewed in Bavaria, especially in Bavaria. And so a lot of men, I think every man in Bavaria drinks beer up from 18 years old or so, because it's not so strong like a cocktail. So you can drink it in the afternoon or for lunch.
So it's kind of like milk.
Well, it's not like milk, but
I don't think babies grow up on it.
No, babies don't grow up with beer.
Let's talk a bit about the music. Michael, I mean, you're part of the band. What kind of music do you all play?
Mostly we play Bavarian traditional folk music, but also kinds of music like jazz and sometimes classical music. So we're very open for every kind of music.
Can you give us a little sample?
Of course.
Just a short one?
Yeah.
A little sample?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can play something for us?
Yes. Only we two?
Sure.
Yes, you can. Do you know Hallelujah?
Yes.
It's a famous,
there are variations,
popular.
aren't there? So.
Well, just play us a tune.
Yeah.
We'll see if we know it.
Okay? Fabian.
Nice. Okay.
Now, Franziska, as a beer queen, do you have to take part in singing and dancing as well?
Oh, shall I show you?
Well, since you asked, yes, you should.
Better not, because afterwards you will be.
You
won't hear. No, I don't have to.
You just do it for the fun.
I'm no good singer.
Oh, okay.
But do you sing, Michael?
Yes, we're all singing.
You're all singers as well, so you sing and play at the same time?
Yes, we do.
Can you sing us a tune? Something?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, but
Just
we
we
need
two?
the other members. Is it okay?
Or maybe, okay, we'll get them in a while. Let's finish chatting first before we do that.
Okay.
Maybe we'll bring the whole band in, that's right. We have the whole band here. So, as a beer queen, I mean, what are some of the events you do? Do you go around the world sort of promoting Bavarian beer, or when you're home, are there certain things you do as well?
Yeah, mostly I'm in Munich and in Bavaria, but yes, I'm in Singapore. In April I will be in Chicago, so I have a lot to do.
A lot of promoting to do. I mean, what would Asians enjoy in Bavaria, do you think, if they were to visit it?
Yeah, I've never been there before. What would be the one thing if I was going to say you have to come see that? What would
Besides the Oktoberfest?
Oh yeah, of course. Well,
Yes, I think Munich is a nice city. It's a small city compared to Singapore, but I think there's a lot to see.
Okay, and what are your recommendations what are the things to do there?
Oh, there are a lot of things to do there. You can go to the mountains, big mountains, the Alps, or you can go to the lakes. There are a lot of brilliant lakes around Munich where you can go swimming or sailing or so. Or you can just sit in a beer garden and having a good time in Munich. Beautiful weather, not too hot, not too cold, friendly people.
Yeah. Will we see people dressed like you are today?
Well, we are specially dressed, but maybe you can see people dressed like us on the streets. Yes.
Yeah.
More importantly, if we hike up to the top of the mountain, will there be a beer garden there?
Yes, there will.
There you go. Okay, now there's a good reason to go hiking, you see?
You only go up to drink beer on the top of the mountain, and then you come down.
How long have you guys been playing in the band?
For 6 years. This band is on the road for 6 years, and we met at school, at a musical high school.
Okay.
And we found this group there.
Yeah.
And so now we're here in Asia with our own kind of music with Bavarian.
Is there a special beer, drinking, dancing song that...
In Bavaria there are a lot, but you have to go to Oktoberfest to listen to that sound.
Well, I mean, Oktoberfest is also celebrated in many other parts of the world as well. It's become so popular.
Yes.
Are you surprised at that?
No, not really. No.
No.
It's a good...
Everyone should celebrate.
Yes, but the original Oktoberfest is in Munich.
Okay.
Not in America. The original Oktoberfest is in Munich.
Oh, okay, so one day we all have to see that. Well, you know what? Yes. We did mention the whole band is here, so we're going to take a moment to invite them in so that we can get them together and you guys can perform for us a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, of course.
I think, come on.
Just
before we can do that, okay, they're just standing by because we want to tell you first about how you can get a feel of more Bavarian culture. Of course, we're speaking to Bierkönigin Franziska and members of the Bavarian band. Come on in, guys, as I just say this, and Dominic Globy. And of course, they will be performing in a series of events to mark the launch of Singapore Airlines flight services to Munich from the 28th of March. Details of their performance, schedules and venues are going to be on screen in just a short while. There you are. Okay, guys, you all set?
Yes, we're ready.
Wow. Okay.
5 strong guys.
I know. They're going to blow us away, quite literally. So, take it away, guys.
Okay.